If you've ever dreamed of taking your travel experiences to new heights and leaving behind the cramped quarters of traditional van life, the 2025 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is the luxury RV that will redefine your adventures. Known for their craftsmanship and high-end motorhomes, Newmar has been a leader in the RV industry for over 50 years. With its impeccable design, modern amenities, and luxurious touches, the Bay Star 3629 offers the ultimate way to explore the open road in style and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or a first-time adventurer, this motorhome is designed to make every trip feel like a grand vacation. The 2025 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is a standout in the Class A motorhome lineup, with 9 different floor plans to choose from. Among these, the 3629 model is perfect for families, offering 7 sleeping berths ideal for family road trips, group vacations, or long-term stays. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Bay Star 3629 ensures you have the space and comfort to enjoy the journey to the fullest. One of the most impressive features of the Bay Star 3629 is its 3 slide-outs, which significantly expand the interior when parked. This creates a spacious living area that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. When the slides are extended, you'll be greeted with a roomy lounge area, a full kitchen, a dedicated dining space, and a master bedroom that rivals any upscale hotel suite. The layout also includes a convenient half-bath midship, ensuring that you never have to sacrifice comfort or convenience while on the road. As you step inside, it's clear that Newmar has paid attention to every detail. The kitchen is fully equipped with residential-grade appliances, including a 4-burner propane range, an induction microwave with air fryer, and a 12V large refrigerator with a freezer and ice maker. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the kitchen's ample counter space and soft-close drawers make it easy to store everything you need. You'll also find a pantry to ensure you never run out of food storage space, making the Bay Star perfect for extended trips. For relaxation and entertainment, the living area is designed with comfort in mind. The dinette converts into an additional bed, while the smart Samsung TV mounted on a televator provides high-quality entertainment. The front seats swivel around to face the interior, creating a social seating area, and the middle console easily folds out into a table with cup holders, making it ideal for meals, drinks, or playing games on the go. The master bedroom is a true haven, featuring a king-size bed with plenty of storage space underneath. The room also includes a large wardrobe and deep drawers to keep your clothes and accessories organized. For late-night entertainment, there's even another TV in the bedroom. The rear bathroom is designed like a spa retreat, with a walk-in shower and luxurious finishes that could easily rival the best boutique hotels. Despite its grandeur, the Bay Star 3629 is built for the road. It's powered by a Ford 7.3-liter V8 engine, delivering 335 horsepower and 468 lb-ft of torque, making it well-equipped for both city driving and long highway stretches. Its 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth handling, and with a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, you can bring along all your gear or even tow a small vehicle. The air conditioning and heating systems ensure you stay comfortable no matter the climate outside. As if that wasn't enough, the 2025 Bay Star 3629 comes with modern features such as Starlink for seamless internet connectivity, 5 touchscreen control panels to manage resources effortlessly, and customizable decor options to suit your style. With an MSRP of $302,467, you're getting a state-of-the-art home on wheels designed to deliver luxury, comfort, and flexibility on the road. The 2025 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is the ultimate motorhome for those who want to experience the freedom of the open road without sacrificing luxury or comfort. With its spacious interior, top-of-the-line features, and exceptional design, this RV is the perfect companion for your next epic adventure. Whether you're exploring new destinations or enjoying quality time with loved ones, the Bay Star 3629 ensures every journey is an unforgettable experience.